Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of a makeup declutter video because honestly I have a lot and I really need to go through it and like pick out anything that I might not want anymore or might be old, but really I just not really like throw it out, but I'm really just looking to organize what I have because most of the stuff that I have here I want to keep because I still use it, but I use it for like special occasions and stuff like that. So I'm trying to separate my everyday wear and my stuff I use on special occasions and maybe in the middle something more. So right now what I'm doing, my system is I have this little makeup desk type thing and I've just got a drawer with some little sectionals in it, and I'll show you what I mean in a second, but it's getting way too full and I really need to move some stuff over from what I use every day so I'm not having to dig through everything anymore. So I really just need to go through and organize what I use and what I don't use the most. That way I can get through it. So yeah, I'll show you guys my desk drawer that I'm talking about right now. So this is my drawer. Basically this is the system that I have been using. I've just been digging through stuff, trying to figure out what I need. So what I want to do is organize this and separate into what I use every day and what I don't. And I'm just going to hopefully put it in this drawer right here, and hopefully I'll clean that out too. But I'm hoping just to fix this drawer right here so I can put my everyday makeup in there. That way I don't have to dig through my drawer anymore, because I make a mess doing that and I don't feel like cleaning it up ever. So what I'm going to do is just hopefully organize some stuff, make it look neater, better compared to what I use and what I don't use every day. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Keep on watching to see me organize all my makeup because it's time to do that. It needs to be done. So yeah, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop right there for a second. This is an acrylic thing that I got from Marshalls. If you guys don't have Marshalls, maybe you have TJ Maxx or something like that, but this is just an acrylic organizer. And what I want to do in this one is some like eyeliners, my single shadow things, eyebrow stuff, and like mascaras. I think I'm going to do that in this drawer, this little acrylic thing. So I'm just going to put that in here because it's mostly organized. So since it is mostly organized, I'm just going to kind of do that quickly since I don't really need to do much with it. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, give you guys an update of what I was doing. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. And since I have this really big eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to put that in the mascaras because it's not ever going to fit in a little thingy. So yeah, that's my first thing. This is my first acrylic thing. I'm gonna need to go through it, but this is just the first acrylic thing. So I'm gonna go through this real quick and then I'll come back. I'm just gonna go through it and figure out what I want to keep and what I don't, and then we'll figure that out. I'm also gonna put my brow product in here because it is kind of in the eye area there. This is kind of like my eyes area, so I'm gonna put my brow product in here because it doesn't fit in my other little section for brow products. So just like that big eyeliner, I'm just gonna put this in here. Alright guys, so this is the after. It looks better. It still is a lot. I only got rid of like 3 things, but it's still a lot, but it is better than what it did look like, so pretty proud of this. Alright guys, so this is my next little acrylic thingy. This one was supposed to be like foundations, concealers, I don't really know, it kind of got all mixed up. So what I'm going to do is just go through and organize this, and then I'll show you guys the after. The after, I have my foundations, my concealers, my primers, and I have like little mini things. These are eyelash glues, and this is a little mini foundation that I got. I guess it's right there. These are my eyelash glues right here. So yeah, that's the second one. And also, after I organize these, I am going to go through and take out what I do every day. I just want to know like where it goes on a normal basis. I just want to show you guys how I organize things. So after I'm done, I'm going to take out what I use every single day, so that way you guys know. Is supposed to be brushes and lipsticks. I don't really know what some of this other stuff is, so I'm going to go through this real quick, and then I'll show you guys the after. Sorry if that's loud. I just realized I haven't been showing this view the whole time, and I'm very sorry. Okay, so this little pocket right here, you can't really see that, but this little pocket is going to be for mini things. And I'm going to put my two big primers right here because there's not enough room for them anywhere else. Now I'm going to go through my palettes, and I'm going to organize them right here. This is my whole problem. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I'm not willing to get rid of. My reflection just scared the crap out of me, but what I'm going to have to do is basically just go through my palettes and figure out what I'm using every day and go ahead and get rid of some of those, because there's way too much makeup to fit in this little tiny corner right here. What I need to really do is go through and get like more drawers. I just haven't done that yet, so what I'm going to do is just go through, pick out the palettes I use, and then go ahead and organize this drawer right down here. Also, that icon brush I keep talking about came in this palette right here. Came in this little thing. So I think this is a pretty good palette. I would recommend it. It's the Icon by Absolute New York eyeshadow palette. It came from Marshall's, I think, but I recommend it. Like, let me just show you guys the swatch. Look at that. That is a $6 eyeshadow swatch. 100% recommend. And it comes with a really good brush too. In fact, I have it right here. It comes with this brush right here. And it's good. I use it every day. So I'm just going to go ahead and decipher through what I use every day, just so I can make some more room. I am going to leave all my lipsticks in here because I really only wear them on special occasions. So if I ever need one, I'm just going to come through and grab it. I'm also going to leave maybe my brushes. I'll take out maybe a couple of them so I don't have to walk back and forth. But I'm going to take out a beauty blender because I use those every day. But other than that, I'm probably going to leave most of this because it is kind of organized right now to a point where it's not a crack-headed mess. So I am going to leave most of this stuff. because it is kind of organized now that all my everyday stuff is out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So this is the aftermath. It looks 10 times better. Now that most of my everyday stuff is out, besides some of my brushes, I think it looks 10 times better than it did. It still is a lot, but most of the stuff that I use is out now, so I don't have to worry about that. I don't have to dig through it anymore. I can just like casually pull it out, find what I need, and then grab it and go. But yeah, so this is the after. Now I'm probably going to do this little drawer down here, just to kind of get through everything. So yeah. So now I'm just going to go through this drawer down here that I showed you guys, and I did show you the before, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip to the after because it's going to be kind of boring. It's some of my mom's makeup and some of random stuff of hers, so I'm just going to organize it and I'll show you guys the after. Alright guys, so I just finished that drawer, and I'm pretty happy with the way everything turned out. I feel like I just got everything organized, so now I'm just going to show you the drawer. Here's the drawer. I've got it separated into foundations, powders, concealers, and mascaras. Like all my eyeshadow palettes are back here, my highlighters, brushes, moisturizer, spray, bronzer, curler. So everything's been pretty organized now. Alright guys, now that everything is organized, I feel so much better and cleaner now. So yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I feel much better now that my makeup has been organized and cleaned out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.